So we started off at number 1 Deansgate. So this is Deansgate all the way down here. Doing loads of work on it at the minute. So cars can't go back up and down it. And there you go, Manchester Cathedral. Just round the corner from where we started off. So John and a little walking tour. I'm not going to say much, and we're going to go straight up Market Street past the Arndale. Oh. Double on Deansgate. Upside down. Weird.
It's all set on Market Street, Freshers.
Oh, Fresh right, University, right, that'd be interesting. So that's where we were before. Left on the last video. Sinclair's Oyster Bar. And it's Freshers Week apparently. So that's some interesting stuff going on. This man here. Random people coming on my videos. There we go, Market Street. Lots of student stuff going on. Student social. Entrance to the Arndale, or one of them. That's your escalator that takes you up to the food court. Spin to win. There we go, you've won nothing, here's a ticket.
Yeah,
recording of this vehicle? The bin?
The bin man. So I'll probably get a copyright strike here, so I'll have to dub the music out. Another entrance to Market Street. City and Dale, should I say? All these stupids queuing up, I mean students queuing up. Oops. Spin the wheel. Yeah, they're all trying to get you to spend money on from your student grant, phone contracts or a bank or whatever. I'm going to walk up into Piccadilly Gardens. When I say Piccadilly Gardens, Piccadilly Concrete now. There's no gardens there anymore, it's just a big concrete square. Here we go, Greggs are giving away free food. Anything for a free hostage roll? Also a very tall gentleman. Now down there, that'll get you to Victoria train station. Primark. More beautiful architecture in Manchester. Filming about 5:30ish now, so people go just leaving the office. It's a bit busier than normal. Rush hour. Yeah, City Tower, right next to the Mercure Hotel, Piccadilly. All the drivers delivering, Deliveroo. They all live outside McDonald's. More Deliveroo drivers. There we go, and I'll just walk you over to what properly used to be Piccadilly Gardens and show you how fantastic it is. Oh, we do lots of weddings over at this hotel over here. Here we go. That's Piccadilly Gardens. More concrete than garden. On this side over here. They did have a big concrete wall going all the way around here for some reason. They've knocked that down now, thank God. There you go, Piccadilly. Let's walk up. Loads of food stalls knocking around. Always something going on around here. Christmas markets are always set up around here as well. This is Sasha's Hotel. I think it's one of the worst rated hotels in the Northwest. Big Travel Lodge. It's where you catch most of the buses in and out of Manchester from these stops here. All the old banks are all shut down. So just if you follow this road right up now, you will get to Piccadilly train station. The main bus station is just over here. You get buses and trams. And we'll conclude the video here. So we're at Piccadilly Gardens. So if you're looking at getting from Victoria train station area, Manchester Cathedral to Piccadilly Gardens, walking up Market Street, there you go. And we'll conclude at Wetherspoons and go and sample the drink.